Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy. Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be bossy. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Mountain Dew slushies. So if you love the taste of Mountain Dew, you're going to love this slushie. We're going to start off by freezing 2 ice trays of Mountain Dew. And you're going to put your Mountain Dew in the refrigerator after you're done. Okay guys, I have my 2 ice trays filled with the Mountain Dew. We're going to go ahead and put them in the freezer for a couple hours. And our open bottle of Mountain Dew, we're going to go ahead and put it in the refrigerator because we're going to need it cold for the next step. So I'll see you guys back here in a couple hours. Okay guys, I'm back with our Mountain Dew ice cubes. I'm going to go ahead and measure out 3 to 4 cups of them. Okay guys, I have my 4 cups of the Mountain Dew ice cubes. I'm going to add them into my blender. Next, my half a cup of sugar is going to go into the bowl. I'm going to add my 1.5 cups of the Mountain Dew soda. And I'm just going to mix until it dissolves. Make sure you mix it real well. Okay, now guys, take my Mountain Dew soda and the sugar mixture and dump it into my blender. Now guys, this is optional. I have food coloring, green. I'm adding a little bit to it because this is a good drink for when the Eagles play next weekend. So I added some food coloring in. Now I'm going to blend it and crush the ice until it makes a icy. Okay guys, the slushie is the perfect shade of green. Now I'm going to pour it into my glass. Green straw, and there you have it. Eagles game day green Mountain Dew slushie. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe. Come back again. This is Nana the Saucy Chef.
I'm about to talk about the Eagles. How we doing other teams is illegal. Fly, Eagles, fly, put them in the dirt. The new MVP is about to be Hurts. Devontae Smith, I'm a true believer.